Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploits. This is Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele. Space Superhighway, an ambitious strategy for boosting space economy and creating a pathway for global prosperity. The focus points are as follows. Space Superhighway, purpose of Space Superhighway, benefits of Space Superhighway, and composition of Space Superhighway. The Space Superhighway, a commercial first space infrastructure made up of regional hubs, a sustainable transportation network, and air-to-orbit logistics, is a future concept for space infrastructure that focuses on enabling in-space servicing, assembly, and manufacturing across different orbital regimes. Space Superhighway is an ambitious strategy for boosting space economy and creating a pathway for global prosperity. It is made up of a network of connected space assets and services. It helps to facilitate efficient movement and utilization of resources and equipment in space. It has the potential of proving economic benefits to humankind. Several government space agencies and private space companies could use space superhighways to support their various missions, such as space domain awareness, satellite servicing, and a host of others. Successful establishment of space superhighways will help in pushing space exploration boundaries. Efforts are underway to extend the superhighway to the moon to aid construction of moon surface habitat. Space superhighway. The space superhighway is a commercial first space infrastructure that contains three primary components: regional hubs, a sustainable transportation network, and earth-to-orbit logistics. Space superhighway concept envisions a future space infrastructure focusing on supporting civil, commercial, and national security space activities through in-space servicing assembly and manufacturing across various orbits with a commercial first infrastructure as a service approach. Artist's illustration of Starship Station in deep space is shown in this picture. To further stimulate commercial space activity, NASA has engaged in several space companies to build orbital space stations, which should provide commercial alternatives for the International Space Station when it retires in 2030. Space superhighway concept will create new destinations in space, enabling broad opportunities for science and commerce that evolve into the first tier of the space economy. Space superhighway concept is illustrated in this picture. Purpose of space superhighway: to facilitate the development of a robust and accessible space infrastructure that can support a wide range of space activities, including satellite servicing, Earth observation, and space domain awareness, are some of the purposes of space superhighway. Space superhighway concept is a bold vision to create essential infrastructure needed for a viable space economy and sustained space exploration. Human landing vehicle for Artemis mission is shown in this picture. Benefits of space superhighway. Space superhighway has several benefits such as extended mission lifetime, on-orbit assembly and manufacturing, on-orbit servicing and repair, improved space assets, debris mitigation and removal. Artist concept illustrating protection of space assets is shown in this picture. Extended mission lifetime is the process of extending the operational lifespan of space missions beyond their initially planned duration via in-space refueling or propulsion upgrades, or by continuing scientific observations. On-orbit assembly and manufacturing will enable satellite operators new ways to manage their fleets more efficiently and derive more value from their initial investment. These capabilities could help mitigate the looming issue of orbital debris. Artist concept illustrating in-orbit service mission is shown in this picture. On-orbit servicing and repair is another benefit of space highway. On-orbit services is the observation or modification of a satellite by another spacecraft, also known as the service vehicle, following its initial launch. It covers repairing spacecraft, assembling space stations to 3D printing in space. Improve space access. To improve space access, focus is on enhancing resilience through redundancy, modularity, and cybersecurity, while also developing capabilities for space situational awareness, in-orbit servicing and debris mitigation, and investing in technologies like artificial intelligence and advanced visualization. On-orbit servicing is shown in this picture. Debris mitigation and removal. Space debris mitigation and removal involves preventing the creation of new debris and actively removing existing debris in order to ensure the long-term safety and usability of Earth orbit. Mitigation focuses on limiting debris generation, while removal involves identifying and removing dangerous debris through various technologies. Active debris removal concept is shown in this picture. Composition of space superhighway. Space superhighway is made up of regional hubs, sustainable transportation network, and Earth-to-orbit logistics. Since lunar superhighway logistics network is shown in this picture. The regional hub. A regional hub is a strategic space-based location that provides utilities, refueling, and services to support the transportation network and hosted payloads, acting as a crucial node in the future space infrastructure. It acts as pit stops or logistics depots. Through regional hubs, the following will be provided: strategic footholds in space, utilities to host payloads, refueling and services to the transportation network, and regional logistics depot. China planned space superhighway with 30 satellites and lunar stations is shown in this picture. Sustainable transportation network provides rapid and responsive mobility, transports logistics between regional hubs, supports responsible disposal and debris mitigation. Hard-to-orbit logistics fosters a competitive commercial launch industry, provides routine low-cost access to space. Illustration of the future of space exploration is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been watching and listening to presentation on Space Superhighway, an ambitious strategy for boosting space economy and creating a pathway for global prosperity, presented by Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele, with the focus point Space Superhighway, purpose of Space Superhighway, benefits of Space Superhighway, and composition of Space Superhighway. Thank you.